Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the science video session standard 4. Now we continue to revise that portion, my body. In this lesson, we already recalled the concept internal organs. What are the internal organs, children? Stomach, kidney, heart, lungs, brain, and stomach, kidney, heart, brain, lungs. These are the internal organs. Today we are going to learn about the external organ. In external organ, we deeply discuss about teeth and its types. We recall that concept. We already know how many teeth in our mouth. In our age 6 to 7, up to 6 to 7, our teeth count is 20. Nowadays 32. So teeth are the hardest part in our body that are helpful for cutting and chewing the food. The teeth are found inside our mouth. Okay. The teeth have been developed. We develop two set of teeth in our lifetime. First, milk teeth, then permanent teeth. Milk teeth is small. The first set of teeth start to develop from the age of 6 months. They are called the milk teeth. The milk teeth contain small. The milk teeth also will be small, and there are 20 teeth in 20 teeth in mouth. At the age of 6 or 7, the second set of the grown after milk teeth fall can be replaced. The milk teeth will be fall down. The another teeth will be grown. The teeth color of the milk teeth is white color. As permanent teeth. The after milk teeth fall down, one teeth will grow. That teeth is called permanent teeth. The second set of teeth are called permanent teeth. In permanent teeth fall, we cannot grow one more set of teeth. Cannot replace. It is important to take care of our teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth in our mouth, and the color of the teeth is pale yellow. This is the teeth and their types. So you must take care of the teeth. What are the steps to take care of the teeth? We recall now. Healthy mouth and teeth. We have to follow these steps. Take plenty of fruits, vegetable and daily product. Dairy product is milk product. Drink water or milk instead of sugar juices. Eat candy, cake and ice cream as less as possible. This picture, they have the good teeth. White teeth is that is around things is the good one. We have to eat that. This side is the yellow pulp teeth. That teeth surrounding food we don't eat. So this way you have to take care of the teeth. How to take care? Now we recall the take care of mouth and teeth. How we take care? Change toothbrush once in every 3 months. Every 3 months you have to must change the toothbrush. Avoid sticky food in the mouth. They stay in your teeth. That food don't eat. Brush twice a day after getting up and before going to bed. So brush twice a day. Rinse your mouth with water every time after you eat. This is the step I recall you to follow to take care of mouth and teeth. Next, good touch, bad touch. See that picture, we already know the first A is denote the good touch, B is denote bad touch, B is a good touch. Why I saying that? Because good touch and bad touch are the word mostly common used to explain what touch is okay and what is not okay. The good is a touch that care for us or make us safe. The mother, father, grandma, grandpa, your relative uncles. Okay. This help us to understand when to tell a safe person about bad touch and ask for help. Okay. This help us to Why we are studying this means, why I recall this means, you want help means anyone do bad touch, that time what we do. Okay. Then good touch is a touch. Bad touch is any touch that we do not want or makes us feel scared. That touch is the bad touch. Now we learn. Now I recall you what are the activity or good touch, what are the activity or bad touch. First, good touch activity. Parent hug and kisses is good touch. Father pats you on the head is good touch. Friendly hug by family members is a good touch. Shaking hand, that is the good touch. Okay, safe circle we already know. Again I recall you. Safe circle: mother, father, grandma, grandpa, uncle, teacher, daughter. This comes under the same safe circle. In daughter, you are checking your body means your mother or your father stay there. So only you have to want to check your body. Then activity related to bad touch. Touching your bumps and other private parts near the chest and near your leg. Hitting, slapping, spitting, pushing or punching or kissing. This is our bad touch. Then unknown person. Okay, they're doing this activity means that is a bad touch. Activity that make you feel scared or nervous or ashamed. That is the bad touch. Anyone in front of you doing ashamed and feel scared, you feel scared about that activity, the unknown person, that is a bad thing. So you suddenly, what we do, you run away that place. Dirty talk and dirty pictures, these are the bad touch. What we do when anyone doing to you, behave in a bad touch means, what we do, say don't touch in a loud voice, leave the spot quickly, tell elders till you get help like parents or teacher. This is the way to identify the bad touch or good touch, and you have to fight with the unknown person. Don't fight, you have to avoid the place. This only I recall you good touch and bad touch. Then safety tips. Every children should know, don't live in the loneliness that time. Okay, tell everything to your parent, especially to mother or father, anyone you have to tell. Don't share address or phone number with strangers. Don't share it. Don't answer the phone or open the door without an adult person. You only present in the house means your mother or father only to call you, that time only you open the door. Other person come and knock the door, you don't open the door. Then never eat anything you get from stranger. Unknown person give any chocolate to you, don't eat. You ask your mother, that person is good, that person you know. Like if you ask and then you bring. Have emergency telephone number. You want to know any your mother number or your father number. Okay, this is a safety tips. Now we are going to recall this lesson question answer. You have to study this lesson question answer. Okay. First, answer the following question in one or two sentences. Name the internal organ: brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidney. What are the function of brain? Brain is a commanding center of our body. It helps us to think and perform various actions like moving our head, walking, sitting, etc. List out the food items for healthy mouth and teeth. Take plenty of fruits, vegetables and dairy product. Drink water or milk instead of sugary juice. Eat candy, cake or ice cream as less as possible. How will you take care of your heart and kidney? Heart, to avoid fatty food. Kidney, drink more water. What do you do when someone touches you and you feel uncomfortable? Say, don't touch in a loud voice. Leave the spot quickly. Tell elders like parents or teacher till you get help. These are then think and answer. next set of question I read. You have to study this also. When an unknown person disturbing you, how do you behave? Write in own words. When an unknown person disturbs me, I say don't touch in a loud voice. Leave spot quickly. Immediately. Leave spot immediately. Which organ controls thinking, speaking and learning? Write its three important parts. Brain can control thinking, speaking and learning. Brain is the commanding center of our body. It has three main parts: forebrain, midbrain, hidbrain. These are the question answer you have to study. Today, you have to study today. I recall it, okay. Thank you, children. Now I recall the whole concept of my body. Okay, you have to study that question answer and one word. Thank you.